Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Minnie's Boutique. Hope you all are fine. So today I am here before you to show some very fabulous collection of woolens. Very pretty colors and fabric is very comfortable and warm too. So if you like any of them, do WhatsApp to us on our WhatsApp number. Let us begin with the first article. The first article is here, the same I am wearing. It's very lightweighted woolen with pants and stall. As you can see, this is the stall with this, and the sizes available in this article is L, XL and double XL. 40, 42 and 44 can book this. Very lightweighted and stretchable too. Let me show you. This is all over Swarovski work, and this is the stall with this, and this is the pants, and the fabric is very stretchable and very comfortable too. These are premium quality woolens and you can see it's very lightweighted. You can wear it on any occasion. As you can see, I am wearing, and the sizes are L, XL and double XL, and the price is 2700 with free shipping. So let us move to the next article. So here is my second article. Very beautiful piece. It's in white color, full warm and too soft also. See, this is all over thread work and with buttons. This is all over thread work. Thread weaving is there. Very beautiful piece. It's with pants. See, I will show you all the pictures in the dresses in the last. So if you want to see, just have a look to those. And the sizes available in this are L, XL and double XL, and the price is 2700 with free shipping. This is the pant with the embroidery and cut. And see, this is the beautiful piece in off-white color. Size is L, XL and double XL, and the price is 2700 with free shipping. So next article is in fabric suit, full stretchable and warm, and this is all over handwork. See, this is all over handwork done on the front. These are the sleeves, and the sizes available in this article is it's two-piece set with pant, kurti and pant, and the price of this is 1750 with free shipping. And the sizes are M, L, XL and double XL, 38, 40, 42 and 44, and the price is 1750 with free shipping. So our next article is this maroon color piece. This is all over handwork done on the front with this pretty stall and pants. Three-piece set it is. See the work. This is all over handwork and machine work. This is the stall, and the color is this dark maroon color, and the sizes available in this article is L, XL and double XL, and the price is 2900 with free shipping. 2900 with free shipping. Our next article is this pretty pink, and this is the sleeves, and this is all over beads work and thread work on the front. See, this is the work. It's two-piece set, and the sizes available are L, XL, L and XL, and the price is 2400 with free shipping. All these are very premium quality. As you can see, very beautiful designs. Sizes L and XL, and the price is 2400 with free shipping. Our next article is this Kashmiri kafta. It's two-piece set. This is all over Kashmiri work done on the front, and it's with plain pants. And the sizes available are M to double XL, 38 to 44, and the price is just rupees 1850 with free shipping. This is the mirror work, and this is all thread work done. See, have a look to the work. Price is 1850 with free shipping. So our last article of today is this three-piece woolen set. This is all over beads work. It's three-piece set with stole. This is the pretty stole with this. Very fabulous piece. See the sleeves. And this is the digital print pants. Just have a closer look. Let me show you. See, this is the work. Very royal piece. Full stretchable. And the sizes are M to double XL. And the price is 2500 with free shipping. So this was all for today, and if you like any of them, do WhatsApp to us on our WhatsApp number. Till then, goodbye.